Okay, so it's week 4. If we can start with number 1, spear fishing.
Let's go check. I'm going spear fishing. Check.
Did you say Nashkan Chef?
I'm gonna go spear fishing. Let's go check. You can't just say check.
Okay.
The check, and they'll say, well, you're gonna go check apple or what? You're gonna spear or what?
You're gonna spear.
Let's go check. Let's go check.
Nashkan Chef. Perfect. Thank you. And then number 2, how would you say I have no net in Ukumi?
Can you watch lane? I got no net.
Did you say net?
Can you watch lane?
Can ich west slain?
Can you watch lane?
Can ich west slain? Thank you. I have no net. And then number 3, throwing the net out to drift.
Damn Yukon. Oh, this can slain on, this can floss. This can floss.
Okay. Did you say net?
Kusoko.
Okay. Kusoko. Okay.
This can floss kusoko. I'm gonna go drifting for salmon.
Okay.
This can floss kusoko.
Perfect. Did you say Nashkan floss?
This can floss
Slosh.
kusoko.
Kusoko.
I'm gonna go drifting for fish.
Okay. Thank you. And then number 4, how do you say you can't go fishing in Ukumi?
Kushinash.
Mm-hmm.
Kushinash. You can't go fishing.
Okay. Could you say that one more time?
Kushinash.
Lako Shunash.
You can't go catch fish.
Okay. Shukwam. Kusoko.
Shukan.
Shukwam.
Oh,
Shukwam.
Shukan.
Did you say?
Can't go catch fish.
Okay. Did you say Akol Kushwam?
Shukan.
Akol Shukwam.
Quam means
Quam.
good.
Okay.
Shukan. Kusoko.
Akol Shukwam Kusoko. Perfect. Thank you. And then how about number 5? Are you going fishing?
Nishkahuaquam Kusoko. Are you Nishkahuaquam Kusoko? Are you going to go catch fish?
Okay. Yeah.
Kushuquam. Kushuquam. Kushuquam Kusoko. Are
Okay.
you going to go catch fish? Kushu. There's several ways to say that.
Okay.
Are you
Mm-hmm.
going to catch
Mm-hmm.
salmon fish?
Okay.
Nishkahuaquam Kusoko.
Nasha.
Huaquam Kusoko. Are you going to go? Are you going to go catch some fish?
Okay. So.
Are you going? Is asking.
Mm-hmm.
Or Nashkawa means you're going. Nashkawa. Are you going?
Mm-hmm.
Or
Quam.
are you ho kawakwam?
Okay.
So are you going to go catch fish?
Okay. So.
Nashkan kwam kusopa means I am going to go catch some fish.
Okay. And then if I was gonna ask you,
Nashkawa
Nashkawacham Kusokwa.
Nashkawa kusokwa.
Nashkwan Kukham Kusokwa.
Yeah,
Ta.
I'm going to catch some fish.
Perfect, thank you. There's a few there. And then how about I am gonna go drifting from the beach?
That's the one up above 3.
Yep. Number 6. I'm gonna go drifting by the beach, or from the beach.
That's the same as number 3.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Throwing the net from the beach. Yeah.
Oh.
This can floss. Yeah.
Nashkan Flosh.
But
And then from the beach?
was
From the
Kumcha.
The Kumcha.
Was it Tecumseh? Okay.
The Kumcha.
Tecumseh.
Nashkan Flosh.
Let's get
Tecumseh.
floss.
Nashkan Schloss.
Tecumseh.
Tecumseh. Number 6. Nashkan Tea-Flosh Kumpsha. Tecumseh. Okay.
Tecumseh.
And then how do we say blessed salmon?
Lemon.
Lemon. Lemon.
Lemon Tisopa.
Okay.
Praise fish, pray for fish.
Lemon tea soklata.
Lemon means praying.
Okay. Lemon tea soklata. Thank you. And then
That's a fish.
how about we really like salmon?
Lemon Tisopa.
Chile ama tea soklata.
That's got about 3 or 4 different ways to say that.
Okay.
Killicash.
Chile ama kusoklata.
Kilama Tisopa.
What was I missed one part.
Kilama. Kilama Tisopa. Kilama.
Kila kluama.
We really love the fish.
Okay. Kila kluama tea soklata. Awesome.
Kilama Tisopa.
Perfect. Excellent.
That's good because I'm translating on my own and I'm getting a little bit, mixed
Yeah.
up with Michigan Czech. Michigan Czech. Michigan Czech. Can equac saying.
Okay.
Can equac saying.
Okay.
Can equac saying.
Okay.
Michigan class was so far. Michigan class was so far. Michigan class was so far. Quam was so far. Quam was so far. Quam was so far.
Kusoklata.
Quam was so far. Quam was so far. Quam was so far.
Flosh.
Michigan
Tecumseh.
class.
Nashkan Schloss.
Tecumseh.
Flosh.
Michigan class.
Nashkan Schloss.
Tecumseh.
Flosh.
Michigan
Tecumseh.
class.
Nashkan Schloss.
Tecumseh.
Tecumseh.
Lemon Tisopa. Lemon Tisopa. Lemon Tisopa. Lemon Tisopa.
Perfect.
Lemon Tisopa.
Perfect.
Lemon Tisopa.
Perfect.